Hello, today's video is an unboxing video and I ordered the new Charlotte Tilbury makeup bag. And I also ordered this new to me Pillow Talk Blush Wand. This is one highlighter, illuminator, and easy liquid blush. And the bag. Okay, I thought the bag was going to be big. We're gonna try some of these products today. Well, I really thought that the bag was going to be bigger. I do like the color. I like this little design here, the lipstick, the lips, and the logo is nice. It's really nice. It's a good looking bag. I didn't realize that the zipper was like cross. It's different, like to me it's kind of inconvenient to open it this way. I feel like when you open it, everything is going to fall. See, it's like cross. And I didn't know that. If I knew that, I probably have done it twice before buying it. I don't think it's convenient when you open it. That's just my point of view because of the zipper. So that's why I like to do the first impressions, because I was really excited to receive my bag, and now I don't know what to think. Maybe because my hands are small, I think it's not convenient to open it this way. You see, to me, it's inconvenient. Maybe, you know, this reminds me of those man bags, those toiletry bags for men. My husband has one like this. But it's in a different color, of course, but it's the same style, the same design. I don't really like this design, and I really thought this bag was going to be a little bigger, and I don't really like the zipper. I'm sorry, this first impression is not that positive. I thought it was going to be better. I imagine it different, but let me show you the inside. The inside, I understand why the zipper is that way, because it gives more space when you open it, but I don't think it's convenient. But it's just my opinion. Maybe I change my mind when I use it. It has a zipper here inside. Let me remove the... I'm gonna put some things inside so I can show you. Let me put this here. Sacarle todo este plástico. And the paper. Y el papel. That's how it looks from the inside. And the material is good. Yeah, I think it's good for like everyday or travel. I don't know. I am not sure, but it's a nice bag. It is a nice bag. Plus I bought it with the 20% off. They were having a 20% off with a code, red carpet, I think, but it's already over. So I bought it with the code. I think I was too excited for the bag, and you know, sometimes you are extremely excited, and when you see it, it's not what you expect. So let me see how these two products work, and maybe I like this more than the bag. One is the matte beauty blush one. Let's see this blush, and this is the shade Pillow Talk Peach Pop. Peach Pop. And I think this is the blush, and I don't have any blush on me. Oh, okay. I've seen this all over the place on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. It says here, twist to open, gently squeeze to release product. Twist to close, then apply with the cushion applicator. Here we can see the on. I don't know if you can see here. On and off. So to the left is closing, to the right is open. So on to the right, off to the left. And then we press on and we squeeze to release product. Let me see. Oh, ay, ay, ay. I think I did it too hard. I'm gonna look like I'm gonna look like a clown now. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna remove a little bit because I think it's gonna be too much. Okay, there you go. Okay. I don't usually apply blushes because I'm not good applying this. Ay, 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 I don't wanna look like a clown. I like the color and I like that it's liquid. Now that I'm getting older, I prefer liquid blushes than powdery blushes. It looks more natural and it doesn't dry my skin. Ay, 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 I don't know. Ay, ay, ay. I like the color. It's really, really blushing. I really like this color. It gives like that youthful look. You know, when you're excited about something, your cheek blush. It looks really natural. I like it. I like it. I just need to learn and practice how to apply. I really like this, and I think it's gonna be one of my favorite because it's liquid, and I hope it doesn't smell bad because I had a bad experience with one of Charlotte Tilbury products that it has the little cushion. After a few weeks, it started to smell really bad. I hope this doesn't smell bad. Oh my God. I hope that this don't smell bad in a few weeks. Right now, I like it. Now let's try this Illuminator highlighter, Beauty Light One Easy Highlighter. This is the highlighter in the color Spotlight. Spotlight. Okay, it's another spongy product. It's the same. You open it to release the product to the right side and to close it to the left. Let me see the color of this first. This is a highlighter. Ooh, it's nice. Oh, wow. I thought it was going to be dark. Let's apply it. Only 2 little dots. I like that it's liquid. You have to apply very, very little, and like I said, now that I'm getting older, I'm starting to appreciate more liquid makeup, liquid highlighter, and liquid blushes, because my skin looks better. The powders dry my skin. I like it. What do you think? I like it. I really like it. I'm really happy with my blush and my liquid highlighter. I am still not convinced about the bag. Let me see how it closes. I just think it's very inconvenient to close it. Yeah, it's good. I'm not convinced, but it's good. I know, I'm sure a lot of people will love it. It's just that I am used to different type of bags. To open it is not that difficult. The whole design of the bag is not my favorite, but I understand why it's like that, because it gives more space and easy to open and to put a lot of things inside. That's why. Yeah, so yeah, it will fit a lot of things in there. It will. So that's why I do understand, but it's not my favorite. That's it. Yeah. Well, that's it for this video, for this first impression of this Charlotte Tilbury makeup bag. It's not convenient. To me, it's not convenient. So at least I bought it with the 20% off. And I will see you next time. Bye. Ooh.